In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a short video in Sora using a simple text prompt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official website, where to type your idea, and how to turn that idea into a finished clip with one click. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. This is the quickest way to reach the correct page, especially if you haven't bookmarked it yet. In the search bar, type the word Sora. On the results page, look for the official Sora website. Choose the result that clearly identifies itself as the official platform rather than an ad or a third-party article. This helps you avoid landing somewhere that looks similar but isn't actually the tool you want. Once you're on the Sora site, locate the text box where you can describe the scene you want to create. This is called the prompt box. Think of the prompt as your creative brief to the AI. The clearer and more specific it is, the better the model can understand your vision. For this demonstration, we're going to use a ready-made prompt that balances action, mood, and a satisfying ending. Type or paste the following into the prompt field. A playful neighborhood scene where a man on a motorcycle is chased by excited dogs until he stops, runs toward them instead, and they scatter joyfully in a light-hearted, friendly moment. This prompt works well because it tells Sora where the scene takes place, who the main characters are, what actions unfold, and what tone to aim for. Words like playful, excited, joyfully, and light-hearted signal the mood you want. The sequence is clear. The man rides, the dogs chase, the man stops and runs toward them, and the dogs scatter in a friendly way. That narrative structure helps the model plan the timing and motion across the clip. After you've entered the prompt, look for the button labeled Create Video and click it. Sora will begin turning your description into moving images. Give it a moment to process. It's analyzing your words, matching them to visual elements, and arranging the action so it feels natural and coherent. When the generation finishes, your result will appear on the page, reflecting the playful neighborhood energy, the brief chase, and the cheerful twist when everything resolves in a friendly, lighthearted moment. That's all there is to it. Open Google, search for Sora, go to the official site, enter the prompt, and click Create Video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what your words can bring to life.